Do you know how to export your contacts from HighLevel as a CSV? Today, I'll show you exactly how you can export all of your contacts and customize all the different columns within our contacts page inside of HighLevel. My name is Andrew, and let's dive right in. So to export any of your contacts or smart lists from HighLevel, all you have to do is first configure the different fields you want to export. So we can use our advanced filters to first find the contacts specifically that we want to export, whether we have this in a smart list already, or if we want to find the specific contacts we want to export. Let's say, for example, all of the ones that have an email. So email is not empty. We can click apply, and that's how you can apply your filters to export just these contacts. Then you can manage your fields by clicking manage fields. Let's say we want to export only the contact name, email, and business name. We can uncheck phone, uncheck created, last activity, and tags, and then click apply. And now this is what our export will look like. We'll only export the name, email, and business name. Once you've customized the filters and fields that you want to export from HighLevel, all you have to do is click the three dots at the top right-hand side and click export. That's right. You don't have to select all the contacts in the list before doing this. This will automatically find those contacts that you see in your screen, and then you can click export. And alternatively, you can also select the contacts from the page, either individually or in bulk using the top checkbox, then click more, and then click export at the bottom. These both will do the exact same thing. Once you click export, this will then export that list as a CSV. We can click check progress, and this will take us to our bulk actions page where we can see our action here, our operation, and additionally, we can go in here and also download the export from here. So if we want our other users to go into the account and download the same export that we just got from HighLevel, they can do that by navigating to bulk actions and clicking the download button here. It will then download that list again to our local device as a CSV. And as you can see here, we have our table that was downloaded from HighLevel. It's got the contact ID, name, email, and business name. So just those fields that we wanted to download. And we can now successfully use the CSV wherever we have to outside of HighLevel. If you have any questions about exporting your contacts from HighLevel, feel free to refer to the help doc or drop a comment on this video. As always, my name is Andrew, and I hope you found this helpful, and thank you very much for watching.